Hey guys, Mona here from Raw Strength. Today we are going to be talking about how to do the snatch pull. So the two main reasons for doing the snatch pull is firstly, if you are a beginner athlete, to learn how to pull the bar from the ground till a full extended position, so basically your bar path. And then the second reason, if you're an intermediate or an advanced athlete, you would do this exercise as a strength movement. Now let's talk about some cues that are important for when you do your snatch pull. Now, the first thing that's very important is you want to make sure that your foot positioning is the same way as what you would be doing your snatch or even a power snatch. The second thing that's very important is to make sure that when you push from the ground upwards, you want to make sure that you push with your full foot, okay? So basically, a good example is if you touch an athlete's foot in the midfoot, you want to try keep the pressure there as much as possible to make sure that you get pressure from the full foot. Tip number 3 is you want to make sure that you stay over that bar as long as possible. Tip number 4, you want to make sure as soon as the bar starts passing over the knees, you want to make sure that you have a really aggressive second pull, get that full extension, or like some people call it triple extension, and you want to make sure that the shoulders are just behind the barbell in that full extended position. Common mistakes with the snatch pull is when the athletes start from the floor, they throw the chest up way too fast. That also means that the knees will be pushed forward and the barbell will then be curving over the knees instead of moving up a straight line. Common mistake number 2 is when the athlete brushes along the hips to make that hip contact, the barbell bashes out and forward. Obviously what will happen is then the snatch would lose its bar path. That's also when the athlete ends up, if they had to do a snatch, jumping forward, or the barbell will be missed backwards. Guys, if you go to the link in the description, you will see that there is 16 ways you can fix your snatch and your clean and jerk. It's free, grab it. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.